Alpha 1, we are in location 1. We are in location 1, we behind you.
Attention everyone. Please be advised that the 8:30 p.m. curfew will now be in full effect starting tonight. And don't forget, we're watching.
Copy, Roger. Alpha 1, we found something. Copyright Alpha 1.
Allison, I'm afraid your brother has learned of my treason. In order to protect the work that we've accomplished so far, I must disappear immediately. You must wait exactly 1 year from today before you
Alpha
come and
1,
find
we
me in the
lost
condemned sectors of
location 1.
Pecolan. Never give up the fight, Allison. I'm sorry it had to come to this.
Alpha 1, we lost.
To activate, please enter the sequence. Calibration complete. To activate, please enter the sequence. Calibration complete. To activate, please enter the sequence.